Alright, I'm actually giving 2 of these away. All you have to do is go follow me on Instagram and DM me that you're interested in the contest. Thanks a lot. Good luck. It's out there on the ground. I don't know what it is. Oh, what is it?
No idea.
Oh, yeah. I found that in the locker room. I don't know what it is. You ever seen anything like that? It looks like it's like the skin of a scorpion. When you open it.
Is it?
Yeah.
It must be somebody's. I don't know.
Look at it. It's weird looking. Have you ever seen anything like it? It looks like a skin of a scorpion when you open it, like a you know, like snake skin or whatever. It ain't nothing. I opened it.
I ain't touching random things.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't blame you.
Oh, it's a joke. Ah.
Yeah, I was going down more. Yeah, going down there. I don't know. Probably one of the construction workers stopped it or something. I don't know what it is. Some type of. It said scorpion something.
Oh my God, Jason, you're playing a prank on me. Did you hear me? I even said a bad word.
I know. I'll believe it. You know, it looks cool. I don't know. I seen it sitting outside. It's just like it was right by somebody's car. It's like a little.
I don't want to open it. You open it.
It just looks like a little snake skin.
Oh my God, that got me.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, did you guys drop this coming up the steps?
No, I didn't. No.
I've never seen that before.
Dried scorpion.
Yeah. I don't know if it's like a Japanese thing where you eat it or something. It looks
Oh.
pretty cool though. It looks like
I
a
don't
snake
know.
skin.
Really?
Look at it. Yeah.
Oh, open it up?
Yeah, it looks cool.
Oh, you know, man, you got. I kind of figured it was a trick, but you got me. You got
I'll get it.
We'll get it ordered. Just go with them and we'll get it done.
I walked by. Somebody must have dropped that out of their car.
Oh, okay.
Never seen nothing like that. It's like a.
Are you real? I was like, cool, thanks.
Like you do cooking stuff, don't you? Maybe the Chinese put it in their food or something. It's like it looks like a snake skin.
dried scorpion.
Yeah, it looks like a snake skin. Good looking now.
That's so mean.
I got the other couple. Must be some type of Chinese thing or something. You know, like a.
This is a Jason.
No, I
Sting is poison. Wear mittens.
Is he messing with you?
Hey, I found this in a car, man. I don't know. Must be some type of Chinese thing or something where they put it in the Hey, I found this out here in the lobby. I don't know if it's somebody dropped it or something, but it looks like a. You ever seen like a snake skin? Like a snake skin of something? Oh. That's what it looks cool though. Gotcha. You ever seen? I found that in between the cars. Must be some type of something they do for the Chinese people or something. I found that out there by your car. I think it's your car. You got the Santa Fe out there, right?
No.
Oh, I don't know what it is. It's like a snake. I found this in between the cars. I don't know what it is. You ever see anything like that?
Look at me.
Come on. It's out there in between the cars. I've never seen nothing like that. It looks. Have you ever seen? Oh. It looks like you eat it though. You know what I mean?
As well.
It's pretty neat.